Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Okay, so for the euro dollar, it's very similar price action to the Aussie dollar, corrected to the downside after 2 weeks of bullish sharp move. We could see this correction continue in the coming week, but the downside is capped. All right, price could for the bull case, we could see price bounce off the 1.18 level immediately to reach our upside targets of 1.20, but we should take into consideration some potential further downwards move. So if price finds itself extending further, we see 1.175 to form strong support, after which our upside targets will be in play.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.